Hello, my name is Laura Daniela Naranjo Molano. I going to a special plan for my vacation. I going to learn how to bake a cake. I am going to visit a friend this afternoon. I am going to swimming in a park. I am going to visit my grandmother. I am going to for walk in the park. I am going to travel to Bogota. I am going to the play soccer. I am going to see my family. I am going I am not going to read a book. I am going to do my homework. I am going to travel. I am good. I am going not fish. I am going to enjoy my birthday. I am going to learn to play the piano. I am going to eat pizza. I am going to walk the mountain. I am going to wash my motorcycle. I am going to sleep very well. I am going to buy clothes. I am going to add blackberry is grand. I am going to play with my cat. I am going to dance. I am going to wall. I am going to wall what? Stay on vacation. Bye.